We're going to talk about the new Rogue S line of squat stands. We have 3 products in this line, the S1, the S2, and the S3, and they're all differentiated based on height. The S1's 70 inches tall, which goes up to about here. This is an S2, it's 90-inch upright with a single fat skinny pull-up bar at the top. And we have an S3, which is a 108-inch upright with a single fat skinny pull-up bar at the top. All 3 of these stands share the same J-cup design, upright hole spacing design, which has a west side hole spacing so you get 1 inch through the bench region and 2 inch everywhere else. It's got the same rear cross member and then the same base. And we have a brand new socket system on our base. So this upright is completely detachable from the base. In our old line of squat stands, it was a welded, so it's all one piece. So this is going to make it much less expensive to ship to our customers, so it's going to save you a lot of money. Our S line of stands is completely multi-purpose. The S2 and S3 have pull-up capability with the pull-up bar, single fat skinny bar, so you get 1.25 inch bar or 2-inch fat bar if you want. You can do squat, press, pulls from the pins. We have spotter arms that come out the front, so if you want to do rack pulls, safety spotter bars, that sort of thing. These are a prototype of our safety spotter arms. These work similar as our J-cups. You can't do full body weight pull-ups. You can do assisted pull-ups with this. You can do assisted ring dips as well. You can do any type of other gymnastics work, some L-sits, some planks. We have the Rogue Matador here, which is our dip attachment for the S2 and S3, R3, R4, and our Infinity and wall mount systems. It uses our pin mechanism, so you just put this in the hole, line it up, feed it through. We got these angles so you can get closer grip, wider grip, wherever is comfortable for you. And this has to be mounted on the inside of the rack. You can't mount it on the outside, and it's only for use on the S2 and S3 squat stands. It can't be used on the S1 because it doesn't have a pull-up bar at the top. It's really easy to adjust the height. Pull the pin out, slide it down, feed the pin back in. So if you're really, really short, you want to do some dips, you can. This is our single plate storage system. We also have a double plate storage system which has 2 bars on it. Uses the same pin mechanism as the Matador and everything through this channel line has. Show you how it goes together. Just throw your plate on. This can be used if you're going to do kipping pull-ups and you want to weight the system down. If you put some additional weight on it, it'll help steady the system. Also, for kipping pull-ups, we're going to have feet that you can mount on it and you can bolt into the ground. And then we'll also have some other posts, some other options available too.